Hello. Hello. Hear me now? No. YouTube was the problem, man. Respect. Thank you for the heads up. Okay, YouTube was the problem. I have to close it and open it back. Alright. Riley, they say for a Jamaican youth, the videos are not structured, but as all I'm going to watch the market structure video because I always wanted to see the breakdown. Don't understand it. Okay, alright. Hopefully that can help me. Can do one for your life too, But yeah, the video them not structure but it just the whole setup I got now. I just that are the only problem I got honestly. So because I have to record off on my phone and then when I record I see everything like how you see it now. So working on a setup. So as soon as that in place then the whole video in the whole YouTube video them pertaining to trading video them are gonna change. You see me? So that's in the process. You see me? But everything that's a little time, Take a little time. So yeah. But my God, I appreciate that comment still. You see me? As I know the out of Jamaica, we have try to do it, I they try to help others too. You see. So everybody good otherwise though. I don't have any peer when want to do like a markup on phone or anything watching at the charts, who trade VIX market to be on derivative pairs, volatility, anybody. And yeah, you can leave a like on the live too. I would appreciate that. Yes, one thumbs up, I would appreciate that. Definitely appreciate that. Oh yeah, this is a nice good sell that I'm waiting on right here. You see me? So, and I have this one. I want to see price pull back up to this zone too, and give a nice sell at that zone. You can check the 4-hour and see. This is the zone that I'm originally mark on the 4-hour, but I just adjust it on the 1-hour to get a better sniper entry right there. But this 4-hour is basically aligned with an invalidation zone. So yeah, look at VIX 50. Sure. Rich mother, remember this going. Alright, so when I start my top down analysis, I start from the daily. Start from the daily time frame and work with how we see the daily do. So on VIX 50 now, what me feel is I'm clear off all of these giants. So hey bro, me there now. So honestly, we can go up on Euro USD, but I'm not really trade Forex to be honest. But we can go over there. I'm not really trade Forex again. But with VIX 50 now, as you can see, this is the daily time frame. And you can see the market is clearly in a downtrend. I know the market is clearly in a downtrend, but when you look at it, you can see what you see that price is making lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower low, lower highs and lower low. It make a lower high right here. It did make a lower high right here. It failed to make a lower low. Well, I would quite say it's a double bottom because when you're marking a double bottom, you have to mark it from the week to the week. And as you can see, one of the weeks are lower than one. So I would quite say that. But as you see, let me finish explaining it to you. So price make a lower high right here. Fail to make a lower low. Reason why? It didn't break structure. It didn't close, body close. It didn't get a body closure below this lower low right there. So a week above sorry, about them nice. A week below it, and wouldn't say a sweep liquidity below it and then reverse back and go up. Since as if fear for close, since as if fear for close below it, so you know it's a price, a fear for respect the zone here by closing below it and give you a new and farming a new lower low, like you want us to continue that downtrend. So what maybe in a wait pan from 50 from week is, even though you reject this structure right there on the daily time frame, me still I watch it to see it break above this high right here. Let me use this instead. Yeah. Me I look to see it break above this high right here. You see me? That's what I'm looking for it to do. I'm looking for it to break above this high right here. And because of the way of price, because of this move right there, you see me? And then I get this big engulfing candle after this move for sure. Me say our price won't go up. Even though we get these rejection candle price consolidate here so far, 2 days giving you this type of doji candle right there. Those 2 daily doji candle. So I want to see price. Personally, I don't want to see price break above this zone because you're not giving me the sign that you want to sell. I want to see break above this zone, give me a candle closure, and then pull back to even one of my zones, or you know, on the 1 hour time, on the daily time frame. If not, if I don't get a zone on the daily time frame when it move off here, so based on the speed that it move off from, I'm gonna use the 4 hour for a confirmation. Like I'm going to the 4 hour and see if price break this. If price break this high, then we got a few zones on the 4 hour where we can watch if you say price can buy back from this zone. Even though the 4 hour already shifts channel, if me I gotta be honest, and the 4 hour break this, but since I start from a daily, the 4 hour break trend and then the 4 hour shift back trend, because this is a lower high and the 4 hour and you break this lower high. You see me? So yeah. But the daily we do the markup and start from the daily structure shift. So the daily now give you the selling momentum I would only look for. It more like I give us a buying momentum. You see me? So we don't want to see it break above this. As you can see how price is going recently. Still haven't even making a zone right off in this region right there. So I want to see price break above it and it can come back and respect this 4 hour structure break and retest zone right off here. So because to be honest, I would say liquidity is lying right below these zones right there. If I should be trading liquidity again, like liquidity would be resting below these zones right there. And I have this zone, we have this lower high that was previously broken right there. And we don't want to see price come back and respect this break and retest structure right there and buy from that. If it, and only way I'm going to look for that is only if it break this zone. If it don't break this zone and come back and take out these zones right here on the 4 hour, I'm going to start look for sales below these zones right here. But if you take out the high, that's the only way I'm going to start look for buys. And if you take out these zones right there, I'm going to look for sales. All right? Understand that? Yes, I see this one over TikTok with the V. I next week today I say Bagdan there say Euro USD. Respect for your like, if you like your live, respect for that. Anybody else upon the live and want to like your live, you can just press the like button upon the live, please and thank. I would respect that and I would be thankful. Help you to push out the thing. But yeah, as me I say, Riley, this is what I would want to see do, you see me? This is what I want to see it do. If you do that, then that would have been, if you break above this, that would have been grateful. That would have been nice. So then would have known say, all right, then the market really shift structure upon the daily time frame, and shifting structure on the daily time frame gonna give me the confirmation that market want to now start change trend and it want to farm the new higher highs and higher lows instead of, you know, giving me this move. Because right now it's just consolidating right there. And this is the 4 hour. I'm going back on the daily, I'm sure. As the daily, as I see, it just making this candle wick down, push back up, wick up, push back down. So that's what I'm getting right there. So as soon as it break above this high, then I'm gonna start look for buys price to do a little pullback, form a new higher low, and then continue to form higher highs. Alright, understand? Because respect for the likes. Appreciate it. Let me see if we can find Euro USD on this, because honestly, never trade them the period, bro. It's been years. Wait, FX Euro USD. Alright, I'm gonna understand. Well, no. Euro USD, oh, the market on my son. I'm gonna say daily time frame that one. Euro USD in a downtrend. Daily downtrend. Highs and lows. Daily can't respect anything. They can't respect this structure. Yeah, and we have a next. You see with the strategy we me trade to daily, with the strategy we me trade to, honestly, I'm go up on it. I'm not going to really mark up your SD, because it's not a pair when me trade, so it don't really make sense, to be honest. I don't trade Forex. You see with this move right here, you mark it on the daily, we would have said this respect a structure retest, like you respect the structure retest, and then personally, even if you catch this move from right there, somebody can catch a buyer fight from down here, so like when we see you reject this structure retest right there, so that would have been a structure retest for me. And when we see the price respect this, respect it by rejecting it, we know the price don't want to push below this low right there. And then if that didn't confirm it for me, this daily engulfing right there, so that would have confirmed it for me, say market don't want to push no low, I want to go buy, I want to buy. So as I say, when this daily can engulfing type of candle close right here, market push down, wick down a little bit to either entry, give you an entry type point in the market, and then it just continue buy, go up, and then it'll do a thing right here. So as we say, we just wait for it to do this, and then do that. When every 25, yeah, I go play out, I go give me an entry on the live. Based off how the new, how they print out the fees. Everybody who left on the live who don't like the live, it can like the live for me, please. And thank you. You can leave a comment on what you want me to look on for you. Gotta understand that daily. If you want a screenshot of it, you can go back on it. You can get a screenshot. Go back on it. And this is the daily time frame though. I can give you, hopefully, you can get a screenshot just in case you watch it and see. Yeah. Easy. Oh, your marketing is on there. All right, that's good. Good. And you can join the free Telegram group too, Riley. If you want, you can. The link is in the description here upon the YouTube page, or you can, when you watch the video, you can click the link in the description and you can join the free Telegram group. And over there, so in the free group, you can send your markups them if you don't understand something. You can text me personally if you don't understand something, and I will assist you. Or if you want to send a markup in the group and get opinion of others, you can do that. That's what the group is all about. So if you don't understand something, you can send it in the group and say, I don't understand this. Anyone in the group understand this, and someone surely in the group that will help you, or me myself here will help you out. So yeah, so if you want to be a part of the team, you can join the free group. Loving you. Yeah. So what's up? What's how everybody gonna go on with trading and cheating, you guys? Is it wonderful? Yep. Is it wonderful? Euro USD. Bro, if we go over Forex right now, if we go back over Forex to trade. No, the group is free now, but if anything else, like me help you if you're already trading a strategy, if you're already trading a strategy, that's quite fine. But if you want to learn the strategy that I trade, well, that's different. But every day other things different. If a mentorship or anything, for mentorship wise, that's not free. But if you join the group is free, and if you text in the group is free. If you do anything else, as I say, if you have any question, when I understand certain things, I can answer that. That's for free. But it's for me to give you like a well, if you don't trade the strategy that I trade and you want to trade the APA strategy, that's different. That you have to pay for me to mentor you on that. But if you're already trading a strategy and just want my feedback on something, I definitely can do that for free. I don't charge. I don't charge for like to learn the strategy whether I'm a trader or something. Let me show you the group. That's somebody that I want there. So this right here. Let me just hide the words because. So this right here is a Tradebyladen free group. This is the free group one. You know. So that's it. No catches in the free group. But as I say, it's just about mentorship. If mentorship involves of me teaching you like differently on a serious meds where we have to jump on a class or something like that, that's different than joining the group. And if you do a markup, because it seems like you're trading already, so if you do a markup and you don't sure about the markup, or not so sure you don't sure about the markup, but you want the guidance for your markup, or you want a feedback, somebody feedback for your markup, or as I say, you always want to know how to do the top-down analysis, and you see me post YouTube video on it. So if you don't understand certain things, you just can just text me differently and I will show you. You see me, and that's for free. That's just how I am. As a Jamaican, I do not for free. Not all of us not really do not for free. A lot of us do things for free. When you come to trading, you hardly ever find a Jamaican show you certain things for free on trading, or even if you contact them on a different level. Like if you ask them some simple question or some simple things, you're not you rarely find a Jamaican who do that for free. So man, that's what I say. Well, if you know all of that about the APA, you basically know 75% of the strategy. If you know invalidation X, structure retest, and break and retest, you basically know 60 to 75% of the strategy already. You see me? And what me do, and the way how me do the markup, that a part of the strategy too. You see me? Basically a top-down analysis. That is basically part of the strategy too. So if you learn it, then you don't get the full concept of it. You see me? But otherwise, it's a cool strategy. Sweet and nice to trade with synthetic pairs. And yeah. Alright, everybody who want the live, who don't like the live already, and want to like the live, feel free to like. The hidden structures are very hard to find. That's true. That's definitely true. That's definitely true. Because honestly, between me and you, or between me and you, I hardly trade hidden structure. Well, probably me trading it, but I don't normally It's not something I'm really, no, I'm not gonna say problem with trading, but it's not a part of the strategy I'm really look for in the hidden structure, because I know with the hidden structure you have to search it on a daily time frame mostly. And so for example then you'd have mark this right off here, so but I don't know if TikTok will go so far. I don't know if the chart will go back so far. But I don't want to try to find an example. But it basically like this, like you can mark this right there, so then I'm use this. You can mark this, the body of the candle right there, so and the wick of this and the candle right there, so the body of it and the wick of it right there, so and you go look for the hidden structure within this box right there. So let me say I'm going to the 4 hour and see. So right at the watch, you would say boop boop boop, you have a structure right there. I just this there. So I would say you have a structure right there, so and you know you have to find like 2 or 3 structures within this. So if I scroll over, as I can see, you have a structure retest right there, and you have a break and retest right there. Zoom in, and you have one more on the one where you have one more right there. But when you find 2 to 3 structure, especially on the higher time frame, you don't need to go up on the lower time frame for you look for no more structure. So if you find it 2 structure upon the 4 hour, you don't have to go to the 1 hour unless you just have to adjust the structure on the 1 hour. If you find them on the 1 hour, you don't have to go to the 30 minutes if you find it. But if you don't find them on the 4 hour or the 1 hour, you look for it on the 30 minute, the 50 minute, and to the 5 minute until you get 2 or 3 structure within this is one. Hello. Is it me? But it's not that thing with me personally, trade. So now we don't have to wait for price push come back down here, so come respect one of these structures right here. Is it me? Yeah, so it's easy, it's simple, but sometimes it just take practice, isn't it? But it's simple, to be honest. But me personally, I don't normally mark them. I just say it's not hard to find, but it's just a waiting process. If me personally not see it within like now, if I not see it now, I'm not gonna really trade it. If I not just look on the recent price action or just cross and see it present itself, I'm not gonna really look at it, because it's not something where within the strategy we are gonna see every day like an invalidation or I'm saying sometimes you will trade them, you will trade a hidden structure and really know say it's a hidden structure because you not mark out the hidden one. You see me? Because sometimes when you find out a structure it is within the middle of a move or something like that, it can definitely be a hidden structure if you really go back on previous price chart. But through this derivative line, I really show everything with the previous price chart, you're not gonna really see it to some time. But you will trade it. You see? But it's not something I'm mark up every day though. I am the one. Benito. Benito said I. What go on? I am the one they put the blame on. Yeah. Say 50 I go on if it's a push up. Because you know, as I say, I guess mark up, I have to pay attention to it. Watch a 50 there and see what 50 there go do. I missed 2 trade this morning. I missed 2 trade this morning. 2 trade. Missed this morning. Missed this sales one. No, wrong pyramid upon. Missed the sales upon 50s. Where I do the alert, I do the markup and put the alert on my seed trader. And you respect it around 1 o'clock this morning. Right here, so respect it within this candle. And then I say respect it and sell off. And yeah, I probably would target all of this move. I'm gonna probably target a 1 to 2, 1 to 3, probably even 1 to 4 based on my main trade that day. And yeah, I'm probably gonna target the whole zone. I move Mr. Plus to break even. Me there look for price come back right there, so I can respect this. It's one fair range, but price didn't do that. So, and I missed this one over here, so too. An 100s break and retest zone. Price respect it 2 o'clock this morning when I sleep. And yeah, still a sell until now. But that's a part I gave, you know. And I'll catch every one of them. Is it? Respect for all of who like couple live, appreciate it. Is it me? Headshot today, I see me. Headshot 223. Oh yeah. Let me see how this I go work. Oh, let me catch this or I'll drop asleep. I'm have to go stay up. Yeah, like couple live as a join from a place. Respect and leave a comment on what you want to say. Which pair you want me to look at. But if you don't like the live and you're on the live, can you give me a like, please? Just to help YouTube push out the video out there. The live stream out there, you know, show me that people is interacting with my live. I would definitely appreciate that. I'm going to start go live more on YouTube. Go live more on YouTube instead of TikTok. Since as over YouTube, I really want to build the audience. Let them know that this thing is genuine. You know? It's not no fun and game thing. Yeah. Want to do one more breakdown. None more pair and I feel like some I can do one more. We can do one next step down on this. Push pair a chain now. 15 is a gun. Headshot. 15 is break structure. Hey, me do some other 15s and a 15s. And a 15s, I'm not telling a 30s. What I'm live on TikTok and I give some people buy on 30s. I said, damn, bro. Break structure, boom, 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 boom. We don't want that want to be a zone, bro. Alright, get it first. See if the daily hurry off or anything. Now for the small can't see. No, in a hurry off of that. Friends, start from a daily. You see what daily I do. Daily I make your eyes and eyes. It did break structure, then it basically break back structure to the upside. Alright, now get a clear structure there, so go to the 4 I want to see. Let me get back and overwatch on this. See if I can mark a zone I can. But this price I make your eyes low. Break structure. Respect a different zone than ours. Push up. Boy. Upon the daily if you have to break the eye. which maybe if it a go break the high, it's gonna buy. To give me the buying momentum there. And so alright then, price can push come back. You have that structure zone, I have this 2 zone. What price? See. It's definitely. Most definitely. Push come down here, so. Delete that. Yeah. I'm going for this. Go on 30, so 30 is going in there. Watch him buyer. Pan the seat buyer. 30 is watch it. Go there. One next one there right off. How many have the next one? I have one next one on one place. Well, but even watch this one right there, so I'm gonna mark this break and rate zone. Price respect it and buy it up. Make higher highs and higher lows. And right now, if me for really go up on a daily and see how far the market is. The market will continue by 4 hour check off of this structure zone right there. So boop boop. Boop boop boop. Anyway, I'm going there. If I just see that I missed it, I want to know the message 9.3. But anybody catches that of 30 is by a good. Yo, man, I'm telling you, bro. This shit's simple, bro. Respect it. I'm gonna look back for a range up on there. On the 30-minute time frame, I feel buy. To 15 minutes. The break structure is come back and leave this. Push come back right then. The 30, I mean, look at 30 push come back down, come give me a range buy. 30 is there. Is it? But I want to say big up everybody who turn up on a live still. You see me, big up everybody who turn up on a live. Appreciate everybody who join up a live. You see me? Appreciate that. So yeah. Big up on yourself. Me so in it. I have to start come over here some more often on the live. I need to start post more often too. That's the next thing I'm going to start do. I'm going to share next strategy we don't know, you know. I'm going to share my supply and demand strategy. Yeah. I need to start share content, bro. Share my knowledge. Share them plans. Share all of these things. I need to start share the knowledge I'm getting off of this whole journey of trading. You see me? You see me? So yeah, so big up on yourself, everybody who joined. I respect, appreciate if I wanted. I really wanted a range on 30s. Yeah. Well, I look for see, but I'm at the 15 minutes zone because I don't want time frame so we can get a range upon. We have 2 zone. We have an invalidation right here, so but after the invalidation now we have this invalidation next. Wow. Right now, I need to check back my book. And see how long my back test 30S. And I need to go back test it over again and make sure say the zone them mark on the 30S they are valid zone. Come to the zone, buy off of any zone. I go back test it and make sure say I mark the right zones them. Is them Because I don't know if invalidation explode upon it, where if not then more than pre this instead of that, and then delete that. And that I'm pre the invalidation itself. Is if you pull come back at the invalidation and buy go up as a range chain at the market, isn't it? I'm going to backtest it, my range for backtest it for you and see this one respect. I need to backtest it over. Let me see if I can run through that. Yeah, when you're trading the APA, you have to backtest the pairs them. You see, if you backtest the pairs them, it better for you. Which me the backtest is what a good one, I'm not really do it. And for the pass, sorry about the noise. So with the APA strategy, as I show you, as I say, you have to do back testing, to be honest. So you know when you're trading a pair, you know which structure that pair respect the most. So normally me back test like all of the pair that I trade like once a month. But back test it and back test it is like from the previous month. So since as March, so I still have to use February as a 1 month ad basically. If you use February 1st. Start from February 1st. 1 month ad. Yeah, I will use it to the recent price action. And what we do is we can delete everything over this. Shit. No more about that. Sunday. So what we do is we mark out either structure retest, break and retest, invalidation, no invalidation, all of those zones that the market respect. So this is the first of this line represents the 1st of February. And as I see, price is making higher highs, higher lows, price shift structure right here. So basically you leave this. Let's see if we get respected here. Shift structure. Come back and respect this. We don't want to call that because it's a new invalidation, you know. That's a new invalidation. Respect that new invalidation, not new invalidation, invalidation X. That's an invalidation X right there. Come back and respect that invalidation X. We'll not watch that first, but yeah. We have a break and retest right there. Or if you want to put it right here. Basically, yeah, but we'll work with that one. Got one more. A little more sensible. Yeah, so we have invalidation X and break and retest right there that got respected so far. Mostly, you know, so most of these people they respect break and retest more. Even if you don't have to see a big break and retest, but by candle closure, as I can see when a candle close, when a candle make a move, it close, price come respect it and just sell off back. You see me? Because even this right there, break and retest right there. Price come back, respect it, sell off like a, and you know. So we have that and we have one more right there. So but mostly is the break and retest more or structure retest the market, the peers them respect more. Structure retest, break and retest. And I see invalidation play out a lot within some of these pairs too. So yeah, price come, shift structure, leave this. We call it a break and retest too. Yeah. So we're doing this now. When I say we do this back testing method, we just do it for sharp move mindset and a pair for if we're gonna trade that pair, we want to know which structure the market respect the most. Especially when you do back test, we do back test on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. So when you do that now, we can know. So when you mark up a 1 hour zone or a 4 hour zone, we can know. Say, all right then, and every zone we mark, we know which one the market respect the most, and you know what the market do when it respect that zone. So back testing is a good thing to do, and yeah, it help you with the mental, it help you with the psychology too. and it give you a better view of where your trade is, man. Alright, respect for there, you're there long. You're there quite a while now, right? Respect for that. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. You've been here a good while. I take in. Appreciate that surprise. Come on, no price making these. We're getting a lot of break and retest around this region right here. Price break right here. Come back, respect it with this candle, respect it again. Leave this boop boop. This structure retest right here. And got respected price boop, sell off boop. Boom, nice sell to the downside. Farm my eyes at yellows, push down, leave on that, push up, come back to this zone where we basically get a structure retest right off around this region, push down, come back up, sell off. The break and retest after this structure right there. 1, 2, 3. So it's simple. You're just going through and looking for the structure that market respect and just basically mark them out. And you can know that within the previous month, you know, so the market is doing that. So, you know, so for this upcoming month, that's what you want to see the market do, respect those zones. Is it? So it's simple right here, as I can see off the batch. This is where the market are buy off for now. This break and retest zone right there. And this is a recent zone. And I have this, then I get respect, so let me not mark that. So off the batch I can see break and retest and structure retest play out the most. Right? We get one new invalidation X where yeah, that one play out too. But the most one we get is structure retest and break and retest. So those are the structure we mostly have to look for to trade them. You know, even though we don't really get as much invalidation on the 4 hour, but probably if you go up on the 1 hour you can get more if we do the back testing on the 1 hour too. Which I told them we have to do it on. Get that basically. This thing I'm also. Make she swear. So let's try this on 1 hour too. Alright, so if I get something on the 4 hour, you basically if you get it back on the 1 hour to me. I say go. Not even just to me. I say go. If you basically get it back under the 4 hours. So right here we don't call. I just can see we have basically same zone price make I allow this to be a invalidation, but price didn't come. Price come, price farm. Some new invalidation right here. So invalidation X, what I say? Break structure, push back up. You don't say new invalidation get respected right there. That new invalidation. And then you have this structure retest right there. Basically get respect over here. So yeah, break and retest where I get respect. I get respected right there. So as I see price, respect this break and retest right over here. Right there. And respect it and you give it this nice sell off. Is me. And you have these break and retest countless time playing out like every year. So again, another range here for the break and retest. Right there, price respect it 1 time, 2 time, and then whoop, sell off back. Sweet sells, sweet sells. Respect it again. Right over here, so sweet sells. You see me? Respect one more again. I see mostly break and retest play out. And you don't call this right there for yourself, watch here. Support, this would be a resistant turn to support right here. So support turn to resistant, resistant turn back to support right up there. So you can see all this in line with everything. You see me? So then basically you just connect up and you just know, so when you look for a trade, basically I look for that. I look for structure retest mostly or break and retest mostly because those are the zones the price respect the most. We I see, you see me? So yeah, trading this. You're looking for structure retest and break and retest. So yeah. So an invalidation, I get respect right there. So it's invalidation, get respect right there. But we have to work with the invalidation based on the amount of time it presents itself. And you get respect, so one more right there. So we get respect, so that two of them so far. Yes, well, my skip past over here, so I'm go back straight. Mostly break and retest I get right there. Next invalidation right off here, so I get respect. Respect right there and sell off. So as you can see on the 1 hour invalidation play out, structure retest play out and break and retest play out the most. And structure retest play out the most. Invalidation, I get quite a few of them on the 1 hour. But break and retest play a huge part. Yeah. Yeah, right, break and retest it play break and retest that's it's a structure retest right there. Why this thing I'm a mouse so I'm a mouse watch it. Break and retest price, respect it 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, and then watch it. These nice, beautiful cells. Go on, cause if the first time you respect it right here, nice piece of sell price, sell, push back up, sell off, nice take profit, that pull come back up, fail if you break it, respect what the zone there you want market is a structure retest, respect it, sell off, come back and respect what the zone, sell off, push back up and then sell off. Yeah, basically, we use the 4 hour and the 1 hour for the back testing. So normally when you get on the 4 hour, majority of the time you're gonna get it back on the 1 hour. But with the 1 hour, you get more candlestick pattern. You'll get more nice than the 4 hour basically, more than say. So you get more movement on the 1 hour because you know 4 candle equal to 4 hour candle. So more movement. I got up on the 1 hour. So even though it's upon the 4 hour, I never really find no invalidation. But on the 1 hour, I find invalidation zone. So that's why I use the 4 hour and the 1 hour to do back testing so we can find the zones. We can see which zone it respect on the 1 hour and the 4 hour mostly. And just capitalize off those zones. So as you can see, break and retest play a strong part in both time frame. So if you want a break and retest zone on a 4 hour, you can say that it's a strong zone because you can see the way how price respect the break and retest zone on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. Same thing for the structure retest. You know, go along. So if we go mark up this now, like how this do, we leave have to go back to you like because we just know see a lot invalidation we get respected right as I see I'm upon the 1 hour price break like a higher low, break this higher low. If form a new invalidation right that's why I get respected. Come back and respect the invalidation instead of a new one and then where the price give it this nice sell off. So you know say invalidation, structure retest and break and retest are the zones them or the structures them we are look for mark out upon 30S if you look for a trade. You see me? And as I can see, even if you zoom back out, these price push come back all the way up here. So I know say come respect a zone. I'm saying I mark the invalidation on the 1 hour time frame if you respect it. Yeah, my belly. Now big go Sunday night. Let me see by a pip. By a pip. But yeah, you can say yeah. So so no, that's what I'm saying now. We can clear off. We can remove join, and then we can just go back to the basic and when I just there mark out and look back for my range for this. So this was the zone that price is buying from, that break and retest zone right here. So as you see, it's a strong break and retest zone. Price is picking 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, and then it buy go up. And I look for, and then the next thing too, when price break structure price, I make higher highs and higher lows. It's what price too. Price come back to this structure retest right here on the 4 hour, where you respect this structure retest right there and leave a 4 hour doji candle right here and a buy go up. So this could have been the re-entry in the market. So it jump back down. You know, just look for some ranges since as we missed those entry. And there's it. So and if we adjust this 1.1 hour, as I can see, if we adjust it now, put it right there. So as I already do before, you push come down, come give it a sniper entry off the 1 hour structure. Retest right off here. So and buy go. So yeah. Scroll down to the either the 30-minute or the 15-minute and see where we can get a next possible range. As I see price making higher highs, higher lows. Break this form a new higher high. So we can look for it as we marked this before. We will look for it off that structure retest right there. You see me? If that then we use this one right here. To be honest. And we still got the 15-minute invalidation right here. So what we said we are basically really pre, but we have an invalidation X right there. So and this is a new invalidation. But yeah, we have the structure right here. We have to watch and see. Price pull come back, come give us a respect offer if we get back a next possible third entry in the market if price pull back there. So well, mark the big green candle because it basically form a lower high. As you can see right here, if you go up on the line chart and look, it form a lower high. You see, line chart really help you with the marking out of its own. I say higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and it's doing that. So it's basically the form a lower high. Sorry about low high, higher low. I mean, I repeat myself by saying that, bro. Why me always make a mistake? So you see, form a higher low. So market as a structure retest for price come back and retest that structure for continue buy. Yeah. It help you, the line chart, it help you to mark a zone to get all that valid zone. So if price, because if price break this price shift structure, like upon the 15-minute and say price shift structure, but price can break it just to come respect a different zone and then continue buy. You see me? But it's a structure we can look out for price respect the structure right here. And get that range out of the market. Stop loss can go like around there. If you forget the entry off there, take profit at target back that high. Get a nice 1 to 4 out of it. Yeah, I know so I'm going good now. I get better from my explanation and I feel proud. And that's what I said, alright, though. You see, it's at 25, I do nice things. But the market is a structure test. It's not be a structure test. And the reason my market is a structure test is because of this, as you can see. These are the 15-minute time frame with the pan. So we just look back for re-entry. Price make higher higher right, so make a higher low right there. So and this we did bin of this. When price I make lower highs and lower lows over this side, these are the previous lower low with this one. So this are the second to last lower low we form this invalidation. And you know normally when you're trading APA and price didn't break this high right there. Price didn't break this high right there. Price do this. Price form a new structure right there. So by pushing up, form a new lower high. Fail to form a new lower low. Then you break this new lower high right here. So give you a market structure shift right at that point. You leave this structure and this structure would be called the invalidation X. So this would have been the invalidation X right here. Price fail for respect this invalidation if we leave a new structure. So this is the new structure retest that price leave right there. So price push up of these new highs. So you want it to push down now. You don't want price to give you a reversal and come back and respect this structure retest and then give you that button. But so we don't really trade the invalidation X because it don't respect as much. So whenever we would really pre the invalidation X either. Because market don't respect it as much, so but you get the drift right, understand that, right? Girl bunny black and a cash out that. But my up off still. My up off too. So right, you can link me on take as I said, just link me on Telegram if you have any question or if you want help with anything, I will definitely help you. Is the man say? No catch to it, I haven't done the catch already. No, I'm not telling you catch me, just tell you what the only thing me charge for. But for my, okay, I'm gonna get it fight. But me tell you like, if you have any question, yep, me did been a long time me alive now, bro. When again, me can start, so me can start the live on YouTube more often, honestly. Because over here, so I really want to start for the live. If me I go be honest. You see me? Over here, so I want to start the live. I really want the live on TikTok because TikTok, yeah, good, but I really want to build my brand like I could wait for the 25. Can't wait a few more minutes then, bro. But I think we have to wait for it if we really go up there a few one night, I swear. But you can join the group, bro, or you can link up on Telegram and we can basically watch it same time or we can share if me get an entry for you, I can make it, because me specifically look for something, a specific candlestick for my entry. You see me? And if me dip on the chart when me set my alert on it, me dip on the chart, if me not drop asleep by then, I know me tell, bro, me been busy from there. But differently, anytime I come on for live, if you don't reach the zone by the time I come on for live, I set an alert on my phone, so when you reach that zone, I can get the alert right and send it in my group. If me get the entry, I send it in my group. But I feel like I go live more on YouTube. What do you feel like? What do you feel like, Riley? I feel like I go live on YouTube more. YouTube is a more better platform for me, to me, for like go live and do videos on. Or who they over here, Nick or Riley. Yeah, YouTube, I feel like YouTube more better than TikTok. Even though TikTok TikTok, you get more people on your life on TikTok. Yes, that's for sure. No, TikTok. Well, me can do both of them. Can go live on one first, then go live on the other. TikTok, alright, so with TikTok now, TikTok, you get more people on TikTok, like views wise, and more people with on your live on TikTok, more views wise, because people don't really watch YouTube live if you're not a big creator. You see me? But honestly, YouTube me really want to build. But we can use TikTok build YouTube too, so yeah, man, that me a plan for you. But me want get, if me get in time, me set up my real, me set up right way, or get in a different laptop. Me can do live on both platform. Cause me can set up it on my laptop for go live on both platform. You see me? And by then, you can get better content, better quality content for post on YouTube too. You see me? This is my problem where I say load this. That's why I can't really do much on the laptop. I'm gonna just, even the video them I'm post on YouTube, I'm gonna just screen record it on a laptop with a voice, put my mic in a laptop and gonna do the video them instead of I use my phone video it. I'm gonna edit it on a laptop same way. And put both my video them are raw video them, I'm really gonna edit them and can post it. And so for a reply to a comment on my recent video, ask a bro if he's still in his cells, because if he not come out of it, I know him get stopped out. Yeah, see me on the black and a crash, so that. Alright, big up yourself. Alright, jump off, man. Just me say, link me if anything, if you have any question or I need any help or anything, you can link me. Good night and big up yourself. Thank you for being here with me for the whole night. You see me? For the whole time in the live. And Nick, big up yourself. Link me to if anything, bro. You can either link me on TikTok or any one of them. Yeah, when you have a laptop, you better give you an advantage, bro. So when you have that if you on a laptop, if you have a tablet, when you have a big screen where like 10 inches or them size thing there, you have a better advantage, because when you do the markup them, you get more data for work with to the left side than on your phone. You just have a long screen where you get less thing over it. Just go on my recent video. Can go on my recent video, or you can just click the link in the description. See there. Yeah. Why this a device? Oh fuck, what going on? Oh no, I think this is a description. I wrong link section. But yeah. Oh yeah, so I link up myself. None if it work. The link right there, so I remember edit them. The link here. If you click the link up on my YouTube description, the Tradebyladen, you'll go to the link here right there, so to bring you to this link. Yeah, it'll make you miss one trade. When you click the link, it'll bring you to this link. The link you can click this as a Tradebyladen. When you click this as a Tradebyladen, it'll take you to me to my free group. This free group. And if you click this, if you click the link here right there, so you scroll up, scroll up, you click the link here, it's a Tradebyladen free group. And yeah, it take you right to join the free group. Isn't it? I just link up on TikTok. You can link up on TikTok and I'm sending you a link. Or you click the link in my TikTok bio then. If not then. Isn't it? I jump off and now still. So big up yourself, bro. Big up Riley. Big up everybody who did there and big up everybody who like up alive. I jump off and now get something in order and things. So respect and no flow for your support. And yeah, appreciate it. Yeah man, just link up on TikTok if you can't join it, bro. Yeah, big up yourself, my boy. And watch it trade, you know. Watch it because it soon reach it. I might tell you say that reach it. Based off price and move by 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock, you reach it. So watch it and big up yourself. See you, man. Probably watch it too. See it. Peace.